Hi guys, if you have a few minutes of your time, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to make this delicious grilled chicken over rice with a bowl of soup. It is perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Stay tuned. I'm going to marinate the chicken. 5 cloves of garlic ខ្ទឹមស5កំពឹស 5 slices of ginger ខ្ញី5ចំណិត this much lemongrass half teaspoon of salt អំបិលកន្លះស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេ 2 teaspoon of sugar ស្ករស2ស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេ 1 teaspoon of whole black peppercorn ម្រេចគ្រាប់1ស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេ 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder ម្សៅស៊ុបមាន់1ស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេ Okay, blend into a paste 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil ប្រេងល្ង1ស្លាបព្រាបាយ 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce ប្រេងខ្យង1ស្លាបព្រាបាយ half teaspoon of sesame seed គ្រាប់ល្ងកន្លះស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេ 2 boneless chicken thigh ខ្ញុំប្រើភ្លៅមាន់2 and you want to marinate at least about an hour in the refrigerator before cooking or overnight ដើម្បីឲ្យចូលជាតិឆ្ងាញ់យើងប្រឡាក់ប្រហែលជា1ម៉ោងចាំយើងយកមកចម្អិន Step 1 is ready. Step 2 is next. I'm going to make the soup to go with the plate. So this is a complete meal that I show you today. So I'm using small piece of chicken thigh. ខ្ញុំប្រើសាច់មាន់បន្តិច And with that I'm using 3 shrimp. ខ្ញុំប្រើពងទា3 3 cloves of garlic ខ្ទឹមស3កំពឹស Just a little bit of ginger. A little bit of white pepper, a tiny bit of sugar, ស្ករសបន្តិច a dash of chicken bouillon powder, a dash of MSG. If you don't like, don't use it. 1 teaspoon of fish sauce ទឹកត្រី1ស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេ You want to mix to combine. 3 cups of water ទឹក3កែវ Bring to a boil. Small ball like this. And add into the boiling water and continue to boil for about a minute or so just to make sure the meat is nice and done. Add baby spinach. Add a handful. One teaspoon of salt. It's all done. Add a little bit of cooking oil, skin side down. Cover and reduce the heat to low so that way your meat can cook all the way through. យើងគ្របចឹងទៅដើម្បីឲ្យសាច់យើងឆ្អិនណាយើងបន្ថយភ្លើងតិចតិចមក I'm going to make dipping sauce ខ្ញុំធ្វើទឹកត្រីកោះកុង 1 red chili ម្ទេស1គ្រាប់ 2 cloves of garlic ខ្ទឹមស2កំពឹស a little bit of cilantro stem គល់ជីវ៉ាន់ស៊ុយ 1 teaspoon of sugar ស្ករស1ស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេ a dash of MSG វាចេញបន្តិច it turn into a paste. Squeeze 1 lime, but today I only have lemon, so lemon it is. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce ទឹកត្រី1ស្លាបព្រាបាយ Drizzle with homemade chili oil. However you want it, breakfast, lunch or dinner, ready to be served.